Look, Timmy, Dad's home.
Yay.
How was work, Dad?
Don't talk to me.
My TV! You just broke it!
Chill, bro. It's just a TV.
Get out.
Fine.
My TV.
Yo, bro, what's the password to your computer?
1, 2, 3.
It didn't work. Yep.
You destroyed my laptop.
Chill, bro. It's just a laptop. Billy, let me see your leg real quick.
No, why?
I want to be a chiropractor when I grow up, so let me see if I can fix your leg.
You broke my leg!
Chill, bro. It's just a leg.